Since ancient time, humans have tried to understand what memory is, how it works, why it goes wrong. Human memory is an important part what makes us truly human. Let's discuss it further. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Mindist. Today I am going to talk about types of human memory. In a university, there are many faculties like medical engineering. Likewise, memory is a kind of faculty in a brain which data or information is encoded, stored and retrieved when needs. It's quite amusing because memory has ability to remember past experiences and has a power of recalling previous learned facts, impressions and skills, so on. There are basically three types of human memory. When we consider the total population of a country, workforce engaged in employment based on their personal experience, but they are indirectly support for the development of a country. Likewise, each memory have their own particular mode of operation, but they all cooperate in the process of memorization. For the time during 1916s, it was believed what? All the cells of the human body were capable to store memories. Not only those in brain, this idea was known as cellular memory or cell memory. But now such theories are considered as pseudoscientific, which means theories that haven't any scientific basis. Sensory memory. It's a very short-lived memory. It allows people to retain their sensory information after original stimuli have ended. When a person sees an object briefly before it disappears, once it goes, it's still retained in the memory for a short period of a time. It's an example for sensory memory. We can divide sensory memory as iconic memory and echoic memory. Iconic memory has ability to retain our visual stimuli. Picture we just saw is an example for iconic memory. Echoic memory has ability to retain auditory stimuli. It's important for our ability to comprehend and understand the language because we need to keep sounds in our memory which cause to identify them as words. So, sensory memory is preserved for a very short period of time. Short-term memory. It's also known as primary or active memory. Short-term memory is the information we are currently aware or thinking about. Information in short-term memory comes from paying attention to sensory memories. Most of the information kept in short-term memory will be approximately stored for 20 to 30 seconds. If we actively maintain information in short-term memory, it will become a part of long-term memory. Otherwise, information removed quite quickly. For example, imagine that you are trying to remember a phone number. When you see it, think that you make a quick mental note. A moment later, you realize that you already forgotten the number. So, without rehearsing, information quickly removed from short-term memory. Psychologist George Miller suggests that people can store between 5 and 9 items in their short-term memory. This is called the magical number 7 plus or minus 2. So we can refer short-term memory as the temporary storage unit in memory. Long-term memory. Long-term memory is obviously enough to store information for a long period of time. It can store unlimited amount of information almost indefinitely. Unlike short-term memory, long-term memory stores information based on the meaning. However, there is also some evidence that long-term memory stores information with sound. For example, we cannot quite remember a word, but it is on the tip of the tongue. This is usually based on the sound of the word, not the meaning. Long-term memory we can divide into two categories as explicit and implicit, which further divide as procedural, semantic and episodic memory. Procedural memory is a memory of skills and how to do things. Riding a bicycle, playing guitar, tying shoelace are examples for procedural memory. Semantic memory is responsible for storing information that you know about the world. On the other hand, it's a structured record of facts, meanings and concepts. For example, remembering London is the capital of the England because it's referred to the general factual knowledge. Episodic memory is responsible for remembering special events experienced in our lives. It is the memory of autobiographic events. As example, perhaps you may remember the first day of your schooling and your birthday. I think you have learned something about sensory memory, short-term memory and long-term memory. Share this video among your friends and let them to know about these types of mind-blowing facts. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing Tech Minders. Like this video, comment this video, share this video, and we will meet with another mind-blowing video.